All right, so we've talked about how scale factor affects the side lengths of shapes. So I've got two rectangles right here. The first rectangle was a 2 centimeters by 4 centimeters. I dilated it by a scale factor of 2, and that makes my side lengths twice as big. All right, pretty simple. What we need to talk about today is how that affects your area, your perimeter, and your volume. What we're going to look at first is the perimeter. Now, to find the perimeter of a shape, you just add up all the sides. So on this small rectangle, I have 2 and 4. Since it's a rectangle, you have to assume the other parts are also 2 and 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6, plus another 2 would be 8, plus another 4 would be 12. So our perimeter would be 12 centimeters. All right, let's find the perimeter of the big one. 4 and 8. 4 plus 8 is 12, plus another 4 would be 16, plus another 8 would be 24. 24 centimeters. So, okay, we took our perimeter, multiplied it times the scale factor, got our new perimeter. So for perimeters, it's super simple. Original times the scale factor gives you the new one. But let's look at area. The area of a rectangle is base times height. So base times height, 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 centimeters squared. Over here we have 4 times 8. That means my area would be 32 centimeters squared. Well, all of a sudden that does not follow the same rule, because if I did 8 times my scale factor, it should be 16, not 32. So this is where things get a little different. For area and volume, we have a couple of formulas that we need to follow. And here they are. All right, so here are our formulas. Like I said, for perimeter, you would just do the perimeter of your original shape times your scale factor. Nothing different about that. For area, though, you take your original area times your scale factor squared. So remember, when we square it, that means it's the scale factor times itself. Now, in this example, we would not be able to do volume because these are two-dimensional, and volume is only for three-dimensional shapes. However, if you had three-dimensional shapes, the volume of the new shape is you would take your original volume times your scale factor to the third power, or you can say your scale factor cubed. So as long as you follow these formulas, you should be fine. And that's it. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Hope you enjoyed it.